You are watching a master at work.
Mr. Multitasking. Guys, today is another project for you guys to watch. I have here BMW 1 Series 2012 model. It's F20, and this car came to me yesterday, guys. This car is totally dead, not starting. I don't know what is wrong with this car. I have no clue, but I've got some code that I extract from this car, and those code is going to give us clue about what is wrong with this car. I'm going to be posting the code as well, guys. First of all, on this car, what I'm going to do, the outside is so dirty, and as you can see, I have my bucket there. First of all, to wash this car to make it look nice, clean, and then get on with the diagnosis problem, whatever, checking what is the problem. But yeah, guys, I want to start washing the car, and I want to show you around to see how dirty this car is. Let me show you around. Not bad, to be honest. It's got a lot of bad wood here. See this one. You can see. Not bad. Yeah. All the tires on this car, they are brand new tire, and for the inside, the interior is not bad at all. It's got sport seat, look at the dashboard, and check out the rear seats, a little bit more there, guys, and look at that. Yep. And let me show you the bonnet to see what is going on inside. Yeah, it's got a lot of leaves, guys. Look at that. Unbelievable. That looks so dirty. The engine looks so clean, not bad, but I can see a little bit oil there. I guess the rocker cover gasket might need replacements. I'm not sure, but yep, guys, this is gonna be a big project for me, or a small project, I would say, because the code that I found on this car looks like, with the little skills that I have, I'm going to be able to pull this car to start. But finger crossed, guys. Let me get it washing off now to make it look clean. Thank you. Hello, guys. As you can see, I'm giving the car quick wash to make it look nice, ready for any repair, because it's got a lot of bed poo, and I don't want to start doing anything without cleaning it up. Guys, it's very painful when you have a beautiful car like this and then the car is not starting. And maintenance on the car is very important. When you maintain the car like you maintain yourself, your car will last longer, and that's why I'm giving it a quick clean before I start doing some job on it. Guys, check it out. This car is clean. I'm just drying it up right now. Let's see. Yes, guys, I have hope that I'll be able to fix this car. And like I said from the beginning, if I can't fix this car, I will take it to mechanic. I have never ruled out mechanic when I'm doing project like this, and I always try my best to see what I can do on a car before I take it to the mechanic. And that's why I'm giving the car a clean first. I'm passionate about what I do, and anyone can do the same thing that I'm doing. You can start doing things like this and be making money out of this on the side. And yeah, it's very important for us to learn to put our skills to work. I never knew that I can start doing this kind of stuff before. By the end of the project, I think this car is still gonna go through one more cleaning, and as you can see, everything looks. Let me turn the camera. The engine looks better than before. This is just to get it started, and yeah, still gonna go through one more nice cleaning. You can see from the distance This car is looking good, even though the car is not starting yet. But the hope I have is that code that I have on this car seems to look simple to me, but you never know. Yep, very nice. Look at inside. When I finish the job, I will take it for full valet. Guys, thank you so much. This is where I end my video today. And yes, well done, nice guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. This car is clean now. What I'm going to be doing now is to move to the next level, where I check all those codes that I found on this car, to move to the to the next step on this project. Guys, I love you so much. Please subscribe to this channel and then share it with others, and please tell me what you think I need to do different, and be nice, kind to me. Thank you. I love you guys.